In the ever-evolving market of mobile accessories, Rockspace has introduced a game-changing solution: the Magic Box for tempered glass screen protectors. This innovative product addresses several pain points faced by retailers and customers alike. First up, the Magic Box offers efficient inventory management. With QR code scanning, retailers can quickly locate models and manage stock, ensuring they never miss a sales opportunity. Previously, finding the correct screen protector took a considerable amount of time. The Magic Box also boasts integrated storage and display capabilities. With 40 slots that can hold 200 screen protectors, it not only stores but also showcases product highlights, enhancing product promotion and customer interaction. Rockspace's screen protectors are of the highest quality, with up to 9H hardness. They are scratch-resistant and offer smooth touch sensitivity. Customers can choose between HD and privacy options, catering to various needs. In the past, each screen protector required a dedicated film applicator for application, but now a single universal film applicator suffices. This feature standardizes the installation process, making it easy even for beginners. It significantly reduces training costs and guarantees a bubble-free application every time. Previous methods required manual alignment, often leading to misalignment and wasted time. The new application process is standardized, significantly improving efficiency and success rates. Manual application often resulted in bubbles, but our new method ensures a 99.9% success rate, reducing waste and ensuring more successful applications. Why choose Rockspace? With over a decade of specialization in screen protection solutions, Rockspace is a trusted name in the industry. For more information about the Magic Box, to receive our product catalog and detailed pricing, please DM us or send us an email.